So this week's oil is M-grain, and M stands for migraine. If you've been suffering from headaches or stress, this is such a wonderful blend. It's got basil, marjoram, lavender, peppermint, Roman chamomile, and I can't ever pronounce this one, it's helichrysum. So basil is kind of a weird blend, but as an herb, basil has a lot of great healing properties. I like to just put a drop right here and try not to get too close to the eye, okay? And then I also just swipe I press right here on the back of the ear and swipe down. And then the other side. And then I rub together, I cup my hands, and I try to breathe in for 30 seconds. This really helps with my stress levels. The peppermint's so great for your digestive system. The lavender is very calming. The Roman chamomile is also very calming. So if you have a lot of headaches, give M-green a try.